Meet the JBL Live 780 NC. Let's take a quick look at how to set up and use your headphones. When you open the box, you'll find a carrying pouch. Inside is your JBL Live 780 NC over-ear headphone, a USB-C to 3.5mm audio cable for wired listening, and the Quick Start Guide. To get started, slide down the power button on the right to turn on the headphones. You will hear status notifications about your headphone. Open the Bluetooth settings on your device and select JBL Live 780 NC to pair your headphones. In case another device is already connected, or if you want to pair a second device, slide the power switch another step down and hold for 2 seconds. For wired listening, you can connect your headphones to your device with the 3.5mm audio cable to USB-C cable. Make sure the headphones are turned on beforehand. Your JBL Live 780 NC makes it easy to control music, calls, and noise-canceling functions right from the ear cups. Turn the volume up or down by pressing the volume button on the left side. On the right, tap on the side once to play or pause your music. Tap it twice to go to the next song, and tap it 3 times to go back 1 song. On the side, you can also pick up or hang up a phone call by tapping once, or hold for 2 seconds for voice controls. Decide for yourself how much of the outside world you want to hear. Press the Ambient Aware button once
Noise canceling.
to switch between noise canceling or Ambient Aware.
Ambient Aware.
You will hear confirmation to which function is active. If you press the button twice, you can activate TalkThru
TalkThru.
and amplify external speech for better conversations without removing your headphones. If you want to factory reset your JBL Live 780 NC, press the Ambient Aware and minus button simultaneously and hold for 5 seconds. In the JBL Headphones app, you can customize your control settings. Download the JBL Headphones app to unlock additional features and personalize your listening experience. Choose an EQ preset that fits your listening taste the best. Use Personi-Fi 3.0 to create a sound profile tailored to your hearing preferences. Activate spatial sound and more. When the battery runs low,
Battery is low.
recharge your headphones using a USB-C charging cable. After 2 hours of charging, you get up to 80 hours of listening. Need power fast? A quick 5-minute charge gives you up to 4 hours of playback. And that's it. Your JBL Live 780 NC headphones are ready to deliver immersive sound wherever you go.